Did you know that hummingbirds can beat their wings up to 80 times a second? That's right. These incredible little creatures can hover in midair, zip backwards, and even fly upside down. Imagine that kind of agility packed into a bird smaller than your palm. Their rapid wing beats create a unique humming sound, which is how they got their name. Despite their tiny size, hummingbirds are mighty athletes of the avian world. They need to consume twice their body weight in nectar each day just to fuel their super speed. It's a fascinating reminder that even the smallest beings can possess extraordinary abilities.